What's going on, guys? It's STG. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you the coins that I'm going to be submitting to NGC for grading. So I signed up with NGC after having a lot of issues with PCGS. PCGS takes forever to send you your coins back. NGC, I've heard the times are a little bit better. Plus, the prices, I believe, are slightly cheaper, so I'm gonna have to figure out the submission form. I remember filling it out when I went to a coin show earlier this year, and since then, guys, and towards the end of last year, I acquired a number of Pre-33 gold coins that I'd like to get graded. 9 to be exact. So we're going to go through them and we're going to use the red book here as a little reference. So the first coin is the McKinley Memorial. You guys can read up on that. I have the rarer year, the 1917. So check it out, guys. Beautiful BU condition. I don't know what that's going to grade at, but I'm guessing at least a 62, 63, I'd say. Really nice. Trying to remember how much I paid for this. I think he wanted to get rid of this because he had it for a while now. Believe I paid around 4 something for it. Beautiful little coin, really nice. And you guys can see how much it could possibly be worth. This is a 2023 red book. Some people say this isn't a good estimate, but hey, the best price determination is how much they've actually sold for online. Don't take these prices as factual, but they could give you a good estimate of how much something could possibly sell for. Next up, guys, I actually have this coin. I got this graded in a 58. So that's probably worth about what I paid for it. And we got another commemorative here, guys, just a couple pages away. So we got the 1926 sesquicentennial of American independence. We have a little gold coin here, guys, and I'm going to show you that. I don't remember exactly how much I paid. It was somewhere, I think this one was a little bit more. This one was closer to the 500 range. And I think originally the other one was as well, but I was pleasantly surprised to find the other one when I came back the second time. About a month later, he still had it. So I think he just wanted to kind of get rid of it at that point. So he estimated this to be around a 64. I don't know. I'm really no expert. It does have some really good luster in the fields. Look at that beautiful coin. I'm gonna say it's at least a 63, 64. So I mean, I don't know. We'll see how much it could be worth. And yeah, it would be great if it grades closer to a 64, 65. But even at a 63, it's probably worth at least what I paid, if not a little bit more. So that's good. So next, we're gonna go and see some 2.5 Indians. Welcome back, guys. So we got the 2 Indians here. We got the 2.5 Indian, 1929. Beautiful coin. Really nice condition. I don't know, guys. He seemed to think maybe this would be just at a 60-ish. He said uncirculated. This one I think is kind of a slider. The difference between a 58 and a 63 on these type of coins is very, very small difference. So it's hard for me to tell, especially these encased Indian designs. So I don't know, guys, what this is going to grade at, but you can see here the price at a 60 is $550. Again, this is from 2023, so there's probably a 2-year update by now on this book. And here's the other one. beautiful. This one I think is slightly better. This one I'm pretty sure would grade at least a 60. Does have that little scratch on the back there. Nonetheless, I think it's a really nice coin, beautiful. And that's the 2.5 Indian. Next, we're gonna go to the $5 Liberty. So guys, we have the $5 Liberties here. So this is a 1900. This will go great because they have the Double Eagle Liberty from 1900 as well. And I think it's in really nice condition. It looks really good. I don't think it is in BU, but I might be surprised, guys. I honestly think this is about a 58. So if we see here, 1900 and 55, 615, jumps to 675 in MS60. And guys, I didn't pay anywhere near that. I got this coin the end of last year from the same guy I got those commemoratives from. He's a watch dealer, but he does get some gold coins and other coins in from time to time. I tried so many times to sell this coin and no one wanted it, guys. There's honestly nothing wrong with it. Look how beautiful that luster is on it. It's just gorgeous. And I'm glad I didn't sell it now because the price of gold has gone up hundreds of dollars more since I bought it. I think gold was probably close to around 1900, maybe 2000, and the price of gold is now over 2500. So it's gone up at least $500 an ounce, and this is about 1/4 of an ounce of gold. So yeah, you guys can do the math. I'm really happy it didn't sell. I think I was meant to have this coin. So guys, that is that coin. And oh, and I only paid $500 for this coin the end of last year for reference. So guys, let us move on to the $10 Liberty. Okay guys, so we got the 1901 Liberty, which I think is probably gonna grade closer to a 58. Possibly a 60. This one again is a slider. You can see the cartwheel effect. Theoretically, that should indicate that it is a BU coin. However, grading is a subjective science, and if someone's having a bad day, you know, they might give this a 58. So we see here 1901S in 55. And I paid a bit more than this. Again, this is a couple years old already, guys. And, you know, we'll see what happens. The price of gold has gone up significantly since this was issued. And I did pay a bit more than that for this coin. But I just thought it was a beautiful coin with original mint luster, and I had to have it. And next up, guys, we have it right here. We have the $10 Indian. So this is my favorite coin, as you guys can tell from my logo. And we got some information here about the $10 Indian. So let me start out with this one. This is a beautiful one I got from my LCS down in Chinatown. He thinks it will probably grade around a 61, and I think he's probably right. I do have one recently I acquired in 62, slightly better, and I think this is really nice. This is definitely BU condition. 1926, we go here in 60, and I paid a bit less than that, so I think I'll definitely be able to get my money's worth out of this coin. Beautiful coin. He gave me a great deal. And we got 2 more left, guys. So check it out. We got the 1910. One of them, it has an S mint mark. So this is the 1910S. And this is a somewhat low survival rate. I don't think it listed here, but you could see here it has a lower mintage than the D, which I think this might be. Okay, so this is the P, the 1910P, which also has a fairly low mintage as well. So I guess I was referring to, I think this one actually does have a lower survival than this one. I'm not 100% sure, guys, but they're similar in value. I wouldn't, if I had to estimate, it'd be somewhere between this and this. So I did actually pay less than this for each one of these. So let me show you these coins, guys. I think the S is in slightly better condition. This is probably gonna be somewhere between a 45 and a 53 if I had to guess. And then this one, I'd probably say somewhere between a 50 to a 53 if I had to guess. It does have some original mint luster, as you guys can see. And this one has some, not much, a little bit as well, but not quite as much. So that's pretty much it for the Pre-33, guys. I guess I'm gonna do a part 2. I don't want this video to go too long. I'm gonna show you my Morgan and Peace Tower submissions, so stay tuned for that. Please like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.